Hello! Is the microphone on your Corsair HS55 or HS65 gaming headset not working? Or perhaps you've lost sound in the left or right side? Today, I will show you how to fix these problems and repair your headphones by replacing a damaged 3.5mm jack. First, you must find the problem. If you notice that moving the cable near the plug brings the sound or mic functionality back, then you know you need to change the jack. But if you have a case like mine, where moving the cable doesn't help, you need to open the headphone housing to check the wires. Sometimes the problem is the mute switch or the cable going to the mic arm. Use a multimeter to check if you can reach the mic capsule. In my case, the mic is reachable, which means those wires are okay. When I check the wires from the board to the jack, I can see the ground wire is fine, but the mic wire is broken or has a bad contact. Therefore, the mic doesn't work and the jack needs to be replaced. While headphone housing is open, check the color wiring. You need that for soldering. Then close the housing and put the ear pad back on. To do this repair, you will need a soldering iron, some tools, heat shrink tubing, and a 3.5mm 4-pole jack. Links are under the video. Visually, the jack looks like new, but we know one wire is broken inside. Cut off the broken jack and stretch the cable to improve the repair quality. Then, put on the 3.5mm jack housing first, because if you forget, you will have to start all over again after soldering. Remove the cable's outer jacket very carefully without damaging the internal wires. Separate the wires and cut away any fabric strands. Untwist the gold wires from the green wire and twist the gold wires together. In total, you should have 4 wires, 2 gold, twisted together, blue, green, and red. As we know from the internal board, both gold wires are for ground, one for the mic and one for the speakers. The red wire is for the right speaker, blue is for the left speaker, and green is for the mic plus. Tin the green wire and the jack contacts to make soldering easier. Cut the mic wire shorter and solder it to the correct contact. Secure the cable in place with the jack clamp so it lasts longer. Then, tin the blue wire for the left channel. Cut it shorter and solder it. Do the same with the red wire for the right channel. Be careful not to create a short circuit between the contacts. Finally, tin the gold ground wires, cut them shorter, and solder them to the ground contact. This is how it looks when all wires are soldered. Double check for short circuits, then connect the headphones to a sound source and run a channel test. Link in the description. Then, check the main problem by opening a sound recorder to see if the microphone works. Nice! My headphones are back in the game. Cut a short piece of heat shrink tubing, stretch it, and place it over the cable. Apply some superglue where the cable is fixed by the clamp and slide the tubing over it for a stronger hold. I also use nail polish over the contacts to protect them from future short circuits. Add a bit more glue, screw the housing on tight, and the repair is completed. The headphones work again, saving money and the planet. Since you are on the Techscrew channel, I will show you how to make it look even better. Cut a piece of heat shrink tubing slightly longer than the housing, stretch it, apply superglue where the cable enters the jack, and slide the tubing over the back of the jack for a professional look and extra durability. I hope this video taught you something new and helped you repair your headphones. Good luck!